What's going on, guys? Welcome to Paralefty. I'm Lauren, and today we're going to install the Damond Motorsports oil catch can on the Focus ST. Once it's installed in the car, all we do is flip this lever down to drain, and it'll run out to the bottom of the car. Alright, first step, move the intake. Alright, so the next step, come on focus camera, is going to be to remove this hose from here. We hooked up the one red hose going down, and then we set that hose up to come down and around and then come out over here, and they say to remove that nut is where we're going to bolt the oil catch can to. So I have a 2013, and I can't seem to get the oil catch can down far enough without undoing this, which is not ideal. So give me a second and I'll show you what I'm talking about. I broke the thing, so now it's going to go down as far as it needs to. So that goes there, but then the other issue is, well, maybe we can get it done now that I broke that barb off. See, I split that O-ring trying to put it back together, but oh well. See? The two hoses go back. The drain hose goes down, which I'll have to get under the car. And then they come around and they hook up under the intake tube and we're all done. So let's start it up. Now that we have the oil catch can installed, one of the issues I've been having with the car is when I drive, it constantly has the recirculating valve letting pressure out. So we'll be cruising and it'll be like and so we bought the Damond Motorsports Sound Symposer delete so that we can run the vacuum line to the turbo, and then that is supposed to alleviate that issue. So we're going to do that right now, and I have to look up and see which hose from the turbo. Let's go. So now what we're going to do is we're going to remove the old Sound Symposer, which I believe is an 8. That is not good. Now that we have that off, we're going to install this one. We're going to make sure our O-ring is in there. We have our 2 bolts. We're going to pull this hose off, and then we're going to plug this. We're going to cap that, and then we're going to pull that hose off this plastic hard line, and that's what's going to run to this hose. So now we got the one plugged and the other one hooked up. Comes down to our Sound Symposer. And that's it. Hopefully that will relieve our while we're driving sound, because that's annoying.